Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan, this a Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Kamina Johnson Smith, or the Foreign Affairs Minister, said the 23 students who did there in the Ukraine reached the Polish border. One police officer shot another police officer early this morning upon the Vale Royal ground in St. Andrew. George Wright, or the independent member of parliament for Westmoreland Central, get turned back when he got the Jamaica Labour Party JLP area council for meeting yesterday. Reggae girl striker Khadija Bonishaw get named in a CONCACAF Woman Best 11 for the February window at the World Cup qualifiers. Now for the full tour of them. Kamina Johnson Smith, or the Foreign Affairs Minister, said the 23 Jamaican students who did there in the Ukraine reached the Polish border. She said this last night. Plus, she said to the students, them they take sick when them a walk, but them get help. On top of that, the minister said them talk with Denise Seeley, who run the Jamaican embassy in Berlin, Germany, and she there in Poland now for meet the student them. One police officer shot another police officer early this morning on the Vale Royal ground in St. Andrew. Some report said the police officer get shot in an upper body and him in a hospital now in a serious condition. The police officer who get shot work at the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement branch, and the one who do the shooting work at the Protective Services Division. George Wright, or the independent member of parliament for Westmoreland Central, get turned back when he got the Jamaica Labour Party JLP area council for meeting yesterday. The meeting kept at the Godfrey Stewart High School where they in him constituency. Mr. Wright show up at the meeting and them tell him for left right away. According to J.C. Hutchinson, who are the deputy leader for the party, them tell Mr. Wright for left because I want private meeting and nobody own in the JLP, no for that. Wright did left the JLP party after one video come out with him a beat up one woman. Linstead police find one gun we make a yard in our operation at Banbury Main Road yesterday. According to the police report, around 11:30 in the morning, them find the gun in a one lot. Nobody no get locked up. Police are asking everybody else to find 65-year-old Clyde Taylor, who are one hotel manager who come from Salem in a runaway bay St. Anne. Him missing from Saturday, February 26. Him dark and fat. According to the report from the Runaway Bay Police, around 9 p.m. Taylor left him yard. Him did have on one striped blue and orange long sleeve shirt and blue jeans pants. Nobody no hear from him after that. The Runaway Bay Police ask anybody who know which part Clyde Taylor there for call them pan 876-973-7057-119 or the nearest police station. Now for sport, reggae girl striker Khadija Bonishaw get named in a CONCACAF Woman Best 11 for the February window at the World Cup qualifiers. Shaw scored 4 goals in a 2-match when Jamaica beat Bermuda 4-0 and Guyana 6-1. Shaw are the only Jamaican who made the 11. People, remember the curfew from 12 a.m. to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.